Good morning. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Erik. Thank you so much for being here. Literally woke up probably like 20 minutes ago, and I wanted to make this video because I'm seeing FRSX everywhere in the pre-market today. It was at 450, came back down to $4. There's a lot of volatility right now happening with the stock, and I believe we'll see a lot more volatility happen with the market just in general, especially because of the new cases of the new strengths of coronavirus and all that. So just be careful with that. Make sure that you are comfortable with the positions you're holding. If you're trading, make sure that you have your stop loss, everything's set, because we might have to start taking some profits. I don't have anything that I want to close, to be honest. Anything, just things that I may want to add more to it. And sorry about that, my voice right now is kind of literally just woke up. But yeah, so the reason why I'm bringing you this video today is because I found an article that looked and then I wanted to share it with you, and I believe it's very, very, very nice, and not nice, but like very important for us to know this, especially if we are long-term holders. It's not only me that I am so bullish in this company. There's a lot more people that are bullish, and there are reasons. And I kind of believe that knowing what ARK invests in, we might see them invest in this company maybe within 2021. Again, as long as they can start generating some revenue, that's what I really want. Because as soon as that starts happening, man, everything will change for this stuff for Foresight Autonomous. Okay, so let me just record my screen right here so we could see, so you could see what I'm seeing and what I'm gonna be reading. Okay, there we go. So it's an article on the Investor Place. It was written, if I'm not mistaken, yep, there they go, by Luke Lango. Hopefully I'm saying that right, Lango. But well, basically says this tiny AV company that could be the self-driving revolution's biggest winner. So I already read it, so I'm gonna go into basically what I want you to read. Okay. So they're talking about Apple right here on top, on why Apple wants to get into the EV space and all that with autonomous. Now here we can see that we know about the $1.4 trillion automobile market, and it's going to destroy legacies of auto titans and create new ones in their place. Okay, so that's a $1.4 trillion market that that Foresight has the opportunity to get in. Also, it says that and everything's going to be happening pretty soon. That's with the autonomous driving, and basically saying that it's all going to happen pretty soon, and then the time to invest is basically in self-driving. It's basically right now. And then they went into talking about the cameras, the thermal, how like in order for us to have a very efficient and reliable self-driving cars, we need cars with capability of like seeing everything, not just one way. So they got to be able to see through snow, they got to be able to see through rain, they got to see through literally everything. So we're gonna need like different sensors. It goes in and says visual cameras are one such sensors, lidar is another one, and so is radar. Okay, all of these sensors are great, none of them are perfect. They all have shortcomings, and because consumers won't broadly adopt AVs until they are 100% safe, shortcomings simply won't cut it in self-driving. Okay, another type of sensors that will likely be included in an autonomy stack are thermal cameras, and that's great news for a tiny $240 million market cap AV technology company by the name of Foresight Autonomous, FRSX. That's the baby right there. It says one common term coming among visual cameras, lidar, and radar is that none of them perform all that great in adverse weather conditions like rain, fog, sun, glare, and snow can all cause the sensors to have blurry visions and make mistakes. Okay, so that's where Foresight is gonna come and basically disrupt all that. Okay, so that's why many self-driving experts see thermal cameras, I'm not reading that word, adoption in vehicles autonomy stack. So basically we're gonna see peak adoption with thermal cameras. Okay, Foresight Autonomous plays a critical role in developing these thermal cameras. Especially Foresight Autonomous has developed a proprietary AV tech platform dubbed QuadSight, which blends visible light camera data with thermal camera data to create a complete uninterrupted picture of a car surrounding. Okay, so what's the result? It's basically near zero false alerts. And the great thing is that Foresight has a direct partnership with FLIR, okay, which they are basically the largest thermal imaging company. Okay, so you may or may not know about it. They help Foresight making the QuadSight systems, which is amazing. So you could see right there. It says Foresight Autonomous is in a class of its own. The writing is on the wall. Foresight Autonomous QuadSight platform could potentially transform into a huge mission-critical building block of the multi-trillion-dollar self-driving revolution. And yet, the company has a market cap of just $240 million today. And this is what I was talking about yesterday as well. I didn't actually see this. I saw it after I posted a video, but he says that's because the company hasn't sold many QuadSight systems yet, but that could change in a big way very soon. And when it does, this tiny company could turn into a multi-billion-dollar AV tech giant. Guys, if we're going to a multi-billion-dollar market cap, okay, so even if I go ahead and say, okay, now we have 100 million outstanding shares, we could see this potentially in the $30 to $50 range, which is amazing. And very important for us to note this is that Luke did not have either directly or indirectly any positions in this security mentioned in this article, which is FRSX. So who's Luke? Let's go. I just want to give him a little credibility right there. So if we go, so he's a senior investment analyst. He basically identified many up and coming growth stocks well before they were household names, kind of like AMD, 100%, 1,000 plus, Shopify, 1,000 plus returns, Tesla, Neo, and Jag. Okay, that's basically what I wanted to bring to you today. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to edit and upload this before the market open. It's just to give you a little bit more, I guess, a piece. That's the word. While holding FRSX, it's not going to be an easy hold. It's not going to be something easy. Nothing great comes easy. Okay. I know a lot of people bought, including myself, Neo at $3. I sold at $11, but still, that basically sold at $5, or even sold at $2 because it was going down, you know. And now Neo is at $50 plus. So it's two different companies. I understand that. Neo has cars and Neo already selling products, but we have a lot of potential with FRSX, and there's so many ways they can make money so many ways. They don't necessarily just need to sell their system to make money. They can sell their software, because at the end of the day, Foresight is a software company. Look it up. But guys, thanks so much. That was pretty much it for today. I expect it to be very volatile. Right now it's 9:29. So guys, thanks so much, and good luck in the market today. Hopefully we all make money. See you. Bye.